Ever watched a film and instantly knew who the hero was or how the story would end? You can thank Barthes, Todorov, and Propp, three theorists who decoded how media stories work. Let's break them down, visually, in under 3 minutes. Let's start with Roland Barthes. He said that every story uses codes, little clues that audiences decode to understand what's happening. The Enigma code creates mystery. It makes us ask questions, like who killed Laura Palmer, or what's inside the briefcase in Pulp Fiction. Then there's the action code. These are events that drive the story forward. A ticking bomb, a loaded gun, or a car speeding toward a cliff. Barthes believed stories are like puzzles, and the audience is always trying to piece them together. When you're watching, you're not just consuming, you're decoding meaning. Next up, Tzvetan Todorov. He thought all stories follow a simple structure. 5 stages that form a narrative arc. 1. Equilibrium. Everything's normal. 2. Disruption. Something changes. 3. Recognition. The characters realize there's a problem. 4. Repair. They try to fix it. And finally, 5. New equilibrium. Order is restored, but things aren't quite the same. Think about The Lion King. Simba's world is in balance. Scar causes chaos, Simba faces his fears, and balance returns. But he's grown. That's Todorov's structure in action. And then there's Vladimir Propp. He studied hundreds of Russian fairy tales and found that they all share the same character types. There's the hero on a quest, the villain who opposes them, the helper who assists the hero, the donor who gives them something magical or important, the princess, the reward or goal, the dispatcher who sends the hero on their way, and sometimes the false hero who looks good but isn't. Once you know these roles, you'll start seeing them everywhere, from Marvel movies to Mario games. So next time you're watching a film, try spotting Barthes Codes, Todorov's structure, or Propp's characters in action. If this helped, hit subscribe for more visual breakdowns of media studies concepts, explained the Motion Bites way.